Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a last topic that in surface infection, that is the fifth one, that is a disease called yaws. Yaws means the definition is it is almost like lesions, what you say, often a skin disease that is mostly seen in our area. That is why it is so important, especially tribal and rural areas of central India. Central India means it will come also our Chhattisgarh. Definition: yaws is an infectious disease caused by Treponema pallidum. That is the Treponema pallidum you have to also see, because that is a common group. There is a separate strain in that is Treponema pertine. That if you want you can write. And it is characterized by skin lesions. Skin lesions means, or often we say in Hindi, that what we say foda, and it will be completely infected. And worldwide problem, it is very prominent in tropical forest areas of Africa, Asia, Latin America and Pacific regions. Worldwide it is very common in Asia, especially South Asia, and tropical regions of forests of Africa. That means many of the countries in African region also it is very prominent. And in India, you have to concentrate here. In India, mostly seen in central Indian tribal regions where it is we have 33% of tribal population. That is also distributed in south and north of Chhattisgarh, and especially we are living in the biggest tribal region of India. That's why it is very important. And also in MP, Andhra Pradesh and UP, as all other communicable disease we can see it. UP is a prominent place, and also Bihar. Also in South India, one state, that is Tamil Nadu, also get affected. Then epidemiological factors, you know that three factors are there: agent factors, host factors, and social and environmental factors. Agent factors, the agent name already we have said. Then this agent is found in the body, and this particular agent, this particular organism is always remains only in a human being. Other animals and it will not be there. That's and also it is found in lesions. That means what you can see with pus formed lesions in the skin, lymph glands, also lymph nodes, and spleen and bone marrow of the affected person. That is very severe. By this you can see agent is found in spleen, bone marrow, and skin lesions as well as lymph nodes. Then host factors. 75% of children are affected, that also below 15 years of age, and males are affected more than females. Why it is so? Because most of the communicable disease is preventable if you are maintaining hygienic measures, especially liberal use of soap, water, and regular bath, washing of the clothes, etc. That means, in and around us, males are more exposed to the environment, but they are very careless many times, especially in the rural areas of self-care. That's why yaws also affect them more. Then social and economical factors, by the nature of the disease itself you can say what it is. So one is overcrowding of the in the houses, and low personal hygiene. And what is the climatic factors? Warm areas, that means in North India we have warm and humid climate over here. Because of warm very warm climate, we have almost 3 to 4 months or 5 months mostly. That means this is the environmental factors. Also social factors is poor and poor socioeconomic conditions, because they don't have water facility, and people those who are deprived of soap and other sanitation facilities. and incubation period is 3 to 5 weeks. Sometimes it can go up to years. That means you have to see this is a very difficult and very discussing disease. Why it is so? When looking at a person, they are with the skin lesions, means people will isolate them. That can cause psychologically also, and social isolation etc. will happen to that person. That's why we have to prevent this disease. It is very important. Mode of transmission: direct contact with the secretions of infected lesions. As you know that if they have a very big lesion wound around in their extremities or something, and the other person get infected with that secretions fluid coming out of this particular lesion, that can cause the disease to other person. Also fomites means I have taught you in the class what it is. So the utensils, vessels, cups, mug etc., what is used by that particular infected person, if you are handling carelessly without washing the other people, this also can cause mechanical transmission through some instrument or vessels or anything like mobile phones or whatever it is. If we are transferring, it can cause. That is why always children are affected more, because the children, they will not be aware of all this. If their parents have or adults have, and whatever they are used, or they will be so much associating with these adults. If adults are not careless, it will simply transmit to the younger people, especially children. Also through flies feeding on lesions. Then clinical manifestations are early stage. A papilloma develops at early stage. What will happen? Two stages are there at early stage and stage of papilloma. First one, papilloma means you have to understand like pimple which is pus filled. Papilloma, by the word itself you have to think there is a pus filled lesion, develops at the portal of entry site up to 6 months, and naturally it healed. By 6 months it will heal naturally. And at the portal of entry site, why I have put it is already we have learned in epidemiology chapter. Means the organism which way they enter into our body, especially in skin, means from that other person to with other person we had an close contact, and secretions has passed through a particular site. That is the portal of entry of organism. In that site only there will develop a lesion, and up to 6 months it will remain. And what will happen? Automatically, naturally it get healed. Then bone pain and bone lesions are common during this stage. The first stage is that early stage. In that one papilloma lesion will develop at the portal of entry site. Then later what will get, it will have a deep influence, and it will affect the bone also. Then patient will complain of bone pain. Also bone lesions also are common during this stage. Then late papilloma stage, what will happen? It appears after 5 years of initial infection. Sometimes that particular outside lesion might have healed. The patient will say, that is why it is very important to ask the history, and also the physical examination we have to do it properly, so that we can understand any early lesions. Because of it is said that after 5 years only the bone lesions always appear. And also cracked soles and feet. Cracked soles and feet means that skin turgor will be lost, and it will be appearing so hard, and crack also will be there. and what it will cause, it will be the person will have severe pain, and also it will affect their daily routines. They will not be able to they will not able to walk properly or do their functions properly. And treatment, first drug of choice is benzathine penicillin. Penicillin, always remember penicillin, you have heard already. And benzathine penicillin is the drug of choice. Single IM dose, always remember that it is given in IM dose. IM means intramuscular. What are the sites for IM? Deltoid muscle of in upper body, and you know other sites also. And 1.5 million units for adults and 60,000 units for children. And you know that because major population affected are children below 15 years. Then one more thing it's there. If you want, you can learn it properly, where I have put in columns. Then the treatment, some specifications are given by Government of India. That is why total mass treatment is in YAVS prevalence and treatment with the penicillin. Prevalence means the presence of disease in a particular area. That how it is assessed. Below 10% of prevalence of YAVS is clinically active YAVS. If it is, what will do? The penicillin, how it is given? Entire population including cases are treated. Cases means, you know, that also I have taught you in the class. Cases means the person, those who are showing the symptoms of a particular disease. That means those who have that lesions, etc. And next treatment is juvenile mass treatment. Juvenile means children. 5 to 10% prevalence means also what will you do? All cases and children will be treated with penicillin. Then the next one is selective mass treatment. Selective mass treatment, you can see below 5% of prevalence. In that case, what will do? We also will treat the cases, household, that particular case household and their contacts. In a you have identified a case, a small boy is affected, we will go to their house and their family will be treated with the penicillin, and also their contacts. The child will be associated with the playmates in the school students, them also, that those children and other close contact persons also we will treat. Then at least you remember treatment is with the benzathine penicillin IM dose 1.2 million units for adults and 60,000 units for children. Then community health nurse responsibility in prevention and control. First we will do the survey. Mass survey is needed because if a particular person is affected with the lesion, they will associate with other people, and the entire village and a community can be getting affected. That's why it is very important to do a survey before the treatment or planning. The next one is resurvey and treatment in every 6 to 12 months. In a particular village, you have identified this particular disease. What you have to do? You have to associate with the government facilities and the local governments and local panchayati raj, etc. Then you have to plan for a second survey and also mass treatment. What you have seen with the penicillin, etc. That you will do every 6 to 12 months. Between this 1 year, you have to do a resurvey. Then surveillance and containment. Containment zone, you know, that you are isolating that particular area. In coronavirus, if an infection, you know, in a particular place a case is found, what will government to do? That will be declared as a containment zone. In the same way you do a surveillance. After the surveillance, you will declare a containment zone and focus on the affected villages, houses and contacts of that particular case. Then next one is environmental improvement. You know, this particular disease is communicable disease and it's spread through the lesions, etc. And it is well survived, this organism well survives in the unhygienic environment. That's why it is very important to have environmental improvement. First one is personal and domestic hygiene. Means domestic means you have to understand the surroundings of the house and the household, etc. Then provide adequate water supply. Simply, if you are saying you have bath every day, if the village don't have water supply properly, we have to approach the government facilities and coordinate with the water supply and other government organizations to provide water adequately. Also soap. The next one is inculcate the habit of regular bathing with the generous use of soap. Some people they will not have soap, and some will not use some other remedies they will be using, but you have to insist them. It is very important to use soap, and liberally lot of soap should be used to wash their clothes, especially the infected person. Next one is improve the quality of life by raising standards of living. This is also very important. Yeah, that also government has to see migrants and poor people, those who are dwelling inside the slum area, and they have they don't even have the necessary things to meet their needs. Then we cannot simply speak about soap and water and good clothes. If they don't have, we have to organize something to provide them for with good living standards, especially economical support. That means you use just we will say we were learning the last topic, that is yaws, that is surface infection. It is an infectious disease caused by Treponema pallidum, and it is characterized by skin lesions and the incubation period, etc. And it is very serious. So, because poor people are affected mostly, and also you have to think about the prevention. It is easily preventable, and it is easily treatable with the benzothine penicillin single dose IM dose with the 1.5 million for adults and 60,000 million for units for children, and it is preventable and controllable also if the people are getting good awareness and health education. So this is all about yaws. Thank you.